So we are at the S21 prison, which was the torture site of Khmer Rouge for the prisoners before they were sent to the killing fields. In this first part, we'll see that there are 20,000 people who were brought here, but among several prisons. So, but only 8 people made it out. So these were earlier schools and which were converted to prisons when Khmer Rouge came to power. People did not know that what was a mistake, but they were arrested, and when they arrested means they were convicted. So this is the memory of 14 people who were found dead and were not identified, as Khmer Rouge was thrown away from power in 1979. This was the memory of the last 14 people. The red stone you see here marks that this is the part of UNESCO World Heritage Memory Register, and whatever has happened here is part of history and will be remembered forever. This is a place, a school of education, but it is converted to S21 or security prison number 21, as the Khmer Rouge invaded Phnom Penh and captured it. So this was formed as a detention center to torture the city people. The sad thing is, not even one person, 8 out of the 20,000 people only survived this place. This is building A. You see the top, the windows have vents, but below the windows have been closed and iron bars have been put, and these have been converted to torture rooms. There are 10 torture rooms here, and people were found chained to the iron beds, and the human parts were in the iron boxes, ammunition boxes that are near the iron bed, and more will be described as we go on in the tour. So this is one of the rooms where the prisoners were chained. There were rules for the prisoners, like they have to answer all the questions. If they do, they cannot skip answers to the questions, and they are given 5 electric shocks. So this is one of the last bodies which was found tied to the bed, and this shows the barbarism of the Khmer Rouge. And we will go to the other rooms also now. We see in one of the second rooms here that this is also like a detention center with extreme barbarism for people who are chained and tortured without any remorse. And the serving officer said that when they tortured people, they did not think with their brain. Second part will follow now.